So I'm here in Target and I want to get something that is nice and expensive that we can do for my niece closet. So I came along this little shelf that they have here. They have this one that has like two sets. I didn't want it green because I want like something pink or something cuter, but we're looking stuff in a budget. These are like $15. So I think I'm gonna grab two of these. This one and this one. I think I'm also gonna grab one of this one, and then maybe I could place it on top, organize it. So just come with me and see what I come out with. So I found this one over here. That's my little one over there, and I think this one will be cute. So I could fold the pins on top. So we're gonna take three of these to see if they fit. Go ahead and grab three of these. I think we're ready to go home and try this out. Hello guys, so come with me to fix my kitchens. I didn't like it the way it looks before because I like it more modern, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna just go ahead and paint it. I decided to paint it in gray because this is the color that I like. Then I decided to do a little bit white in the back just so to make it stand out. So this is how it's turning out after you paint the whole thing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this gold holder, cabinet holder, which is great, and I love it how it turns out. Make sure to measure it good so you could put it straight because then it comes out crooked. And this is how the kitchen looked before we decided to do this makeover, you guys. And I didn't like it the way it looked, so that's why I decided to change it. And this is how beautiful, you guys. It turns out super cute. I think it came out so beautiful. Hello guys, so come with me to change my light fixtures. So then I got this one, which I wanted to change it for something more pretty. As you guys can see, I have this big round one. So then I decided to place this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and place my light bulb inside there. This is how it's turning out, you guys. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it is after I painted the whole wall. And it looks so beautiful. This one gives me the look that I'm looking for a nicer kitchen, contemporary looking. I just love it how it turns out. Hope you guys like it too. So I got this closet organizer, which is pretty simple to assemble. You just screw them the pieces together. This is the first step of how everything turns out, the first part. Then this is the space that I have. I wanted to put in the middle, but my closet didn't fit, so I have to end up place it in the side. So make sure you measure your closet before you decide to buy it if you want it in the middle. Then go ahead and hang your clothes. And this is how organized and cute it turns out. I loved it how it can hold a lot of clothes top and bottom. Then you can put the shoes or purse on the side. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. You can place it on the side. You can place the shelves in the middle. Either way, it looks great. It looks organized. And this is a great buy for you guys to organize your closet. We're going to organize our cabinet with this set of two can holder. You could just attach them one on top of each other or side by side. Then after you place all you can, just place it in your cabinet. We also have these bins that comes in a set of four, which are great. And then it also comes with a wood cover, which is awesome. And you could just put crackers or whatever you decide that you want to put inside. The good thing about this one, it brings the stickers that you can label your item. They also have these bins, storage bins. You could put cereal, oatmeal, or whatever you decide to put. And the thing that comes with a label that you could put expiration date as well. Then they have the tea little box, which is super cute to organize your tea, and also this rice storage rice, which is great to measure your rice. And this is how it looks before we got all this organizations item, and this is how it looks now, which looks great, clean, and organized, and that's all we need. Kitchen must have. So the first thing is to clean this cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the cabinet. I did not like the color, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some white paint, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it because I didn't like the wood. So I'm going to paint the whole thing in white. After that, I got these containers, which are perfect. Everything can fit. They comes in different size, and it comes a whole pack of them. After I filled out everything out, pasta, spaghetti, cereal, I'm going to go ahead and place it in my cabinet. But before that, they also come with these stickers and a pencil that you can write on it. And you can write, label all your food, which is awesome. And the good thing is that you can just wet the paper towel and erase it out. And then just write it again if you made a mistake or if you want to change it. So I grabbed 3 of these can organize. So then I organized my can by color because I like everything by colors, but you don't have to. Then I put all my ravioli together, my beans, and then I put the corn. It's up to you. Then I place a few things in the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and take these box, and it's for my tea because I love tea, and I'm just gonna go ahead and organize all my tea and then place it on the top. Then I got this bread box, which is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and place my tortilla, my tacos, my bread, and my other bread. And then it comes with this top, which is awesome because you could just take your bread out, take your knife, and it's like a cutting board so you could cut out your bread. Then place it on top, and this is how it looks before, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. One thing I forgot to mention, just make sure to put expiration date on the containers. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment, like, and follow. Thanks again for watching. Hello guys, let me share with you this amazing bathroom organizing that I got and I love because you can fit stuff on the top as you can see and also in all the little drawers as well, which is great to organize your stuff. Here is the first drawer that you could place. I just placed a little stuff so you guys can see that everything can fit in there. And the great thing about this one that the last drawer has a bigger compartment so you could put like bottle and bigger stuff at the bottom. And it rolls out as well. So let me just go ahead and show you how to place it in your bathroom so you can see that it can fit in the smallest space in your bathroom. Just slide it through in there and it fit perfectly fine.